Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your YouTube title and thumbnail score on vidIQ. So you want to go in and click on the optimize button here in the upper left hand side, and you want to find a video. Here are some videos that currently already shows the title and thumbnail optimization, but you want to find something that is not yet optimized. So let's take this one here as an example. As you can see here, it is saying generate a score. So if I want to quickly generate a score for it, I can quickly click on that and have it think. So it's going to show me how much the thumbnail is and how much the title is. And this one is pretty nice, right? So this one is pretty good. So let's try this one here as an example as well, and to see what this is going to do. Now it gives me a title score and it gives me a thumbnail score. Now let's say I wasn't satisfied with something that I've generated. Let's say this one here. So let's say I'm fine with the title, but I'm not fine with the thumbnail. What can I do? I can click on this video, and here you can see that it's going to do a quick optimize again, and it's going to tell me what's the score. Now if I don't like this thumbnail here and I want to get a better thumbnail, I could always go ahead. Plus I can click and generate, and once I generate it, it's going to generate a new thumbnail for me. It's going to give me something with a better score. If you look at this one here, is something that I've generated as well, so it's going to try to generate a new thumbnail for me, and you will see it's going to always try to generate a thumbnail that has a high score that you can actually use to replace your current thumbnail. Now I currently like the one that I have, but you get the general idea, and you can continue to generate and generate more thumbnails until you're satisfied. Now whenever you're satisfied, you just need to click and select that particular thumbnail and go ahead and hit the save button. You can also even preview what it looks like on YouTube to see how it comes up against other videos, and you can see if it stands out to you. But that's it. That's all you have to do, guys. That's how you can easily generate a new thumbnail. The title is just the same. You can click on title where it shows a score, and you can always go ahead and regenerate. So here it shows the title that you currently have, but you can click generate alternative title and it will continue to generate for you until you find something with a higher score. You can always go ahead and change that. It will also give you a check to see how a check and a rating for other things in your YouTube optimization, and so you can quickly check to see how things are. But that's it, guys. When you're satisfied, you will go ahead and click and save, and that's how you can quickly optimize your YouTube titles and thumbnails on vidIQ. Very easy and very simple.